Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Nova Launcher Prime is installed and active. That unlocks the drawer options you need. Open Nova Settings and tap Desktop to set grid and padding so icons won't collide once the drawer is disabled. Once done, back up your current profile under Backup and Restore. Make sure you can revert. Then return to Nova Settings and get ready to change the home action and gesture behavior. This is where you remove the drawer. You'll now remove the drawer by opening Nova Settings and choosing App and Widget Drawers. Change the drawer preference to Disabled, or better, reassign the swipe up gesture so it performs nothing or opens an action you prefer. While in Desktop Settings, long press app icons to place direct shortcuts on your home panels. This replaces the drawer access model. Make sure folders are arranged logically. Once you commit these changes, the drawer is effectively out of the work. Finish by testing each gesture and interaction. Swipe up, double tap, and the persistent search bar to confirm the drawer no longer appears. If apps are missing from the home screens, manually re-add shortcuts or check icon, pack scaling and look and feel so labels and icons fit. If the layout breaks or you prefer the old model, go to Nova Settings Backup and restore your backup. That's the single best troubleshooting step to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.